They say you can't master everything, but a Sigma male doesn't aim to master, he aims to adapt. Imagine living in a world where you rely on no one because you've developed the ability to survive and thrive on your own. That's the power of a Sigma male. You're not limited to one path, one skill, or one identity. You're the kind of person who learns quickly, adapts effortlessly, and thrives under pressure. A Sigma male doesn't wait for someone else to solve his problems, he figures it out himself. That's what sets him apart. Being a jack of all trades isn't a flaw, it's a superpower. You've built a life where no single challenge can hold you back. From fixing what's broken to mastering something new, you have the tools to handle anything life throws your way. This video isn't just a list of reasons. It's a wake-up call. It's proof that your versatility is your greatest strength. Watch, take notes, and remember, you're not just surviving. You're thriving because you've chosen to be limitless. Let's get started. Sigmas. Number 1. Sigma males are natural and genuine hustlers. Sigma males are natural hustlers, not in the flashy, show-off way that some might imagine, but from a genuine belief in self-reliance, adaptability, and the value of hard work. For them, it's not about impressing others or seeking applause. It's about doing what needs to be done to achieve their goals and maintain their independence. You might see a Sigma male working as a civil engineer by day and moonlighting as an Uber driver, bartender, or farmer by night. This isn't because he's lost or struggling, it's because he embraces the grind. He doesn't look down on any role or job as beneath him. To a Sigma, every task is a stepping stone, a part of the bigger picture, and a way to preserve freedom. Unlike others who tie their identity to a single profession or title, Sigmas understand that life is fluid. Success often comes from diversifying efforts. They're not afraid to roll up their sleeves, switch gears, and take on whatever role is necessary. This adaptability not only builds skills but also deepens their resilience. Their hustle isn't just about earning money. It's about staying sharp, building a solid foundation, and maintaining the freedom to carve their own path. Sigma males don't wait for perfect circumstances or rely on others to rescue them. They make things happen on their own terms. Number 2. He sees gaps in the matrix. A Sigma male doesn't see the world the way others do. Where most people accept systems, routines, or traditions as they are, he notices every crack, flaw, and inefficiency. It's not a choice, it's instinct. He can't sit back and ignore how things could be improved, whether it's fixing a broken process, approaching a problem differently, or optimizing resources. For the Sigma male, inefficiencies aren't just annoyances, they're opportunities to innovate. If the plumbing is faulty, he'll figure out how to repair it better than the so-called expert. If a work process slows him down, he tweaks it, often discovering a solution no one else thought of. This isn't about being a perfectionist or controlling. It's about refusing to tolerate mediocrity. His constant awareness and drive to fix things make him a jack of all trades, but not randomly. He acquires knowledge and skills precisely to address inefficiencies he's identified. A Sigma male doesn't learn carpentry for fun. He learns it because his furniture isn't built to last. He doesn't study software development to show off. He does it because the tools available are outdated. For him, learning isn't about curiosity or passion, it's about necessity. His unique ability to see the gaps and his relentless drive to fix them make him the ultimate problem solver. Number 3. He builds systems, not dependencies. A Sigma male isn't just focused on solving immediate problems. He's invested in creating systems that prevent those problems from recurring. While others might be content with quick fixes, the Sigma male understands that long-term success requires a proactive approach. For instance, if he encounters financial instability, he doesn't just cut back on spending temporarily, he develops a budget, diversifies income streams, or even learns investment strategies to ensure future stability. This mindset extends to every area of his life. If his health deteriorates, he doesn't rely solely on medication. He studies nutrition, crafts a sustainable workout routine, and prioritizes habits that enhance longevity. These systems give him a sense of control and resilience, ensuring that he's prepared for challenges before they arise. For the Sigma male, the ultimate goal is self-reliance at scale. Every system he builds reduces dependency, increases efficiency, and gives him the freedom to focus on what truly matters. This strategic foresight allows him to navigate life with a level of confidence that others find enviable. Number 4. He thrives on solitude. Unlike most people who fear being alone, a Sigma male cherishes solitude as a time to recharge, reflect, and grow. This isn't about antisocial behavior, it's about understanding the value of personal space and silence. In solitude, the Sigma male finds clarity, free from the noise and expectations of the outside world. During these moments, he hones his skills, evaluates his progress, and sets new goals. Whether it's learning a new language, diving into a book, or simply thinking deeply about a complex problem, he uses his alone time as a tool for self-improvement. This ability to thrive in solitude also means he's not easily influenced by peer pressure or societal norms. His decisions are deliberate and based on his own values, not external validation. While others may see solitude as loneliness, the Sigma male sees it as empowerment. Number 5. He reads between the lines. A Sigma male has an uncanny ability to see what others miss. Whether it's detecting hidden motives, recognizing unspoken emotions, or noticing patterns in behavior, his observational skills are razor-sharp. This makes him an exceptional judge of character and allows him to navigate complex social dynamics with ease. For example, in a business meeting, while others are focused on the presentation, he's analyzing body language, tone, and subtle cues that reveal the true intentions of the participants. This ability to read between the lines helps him avoid traps, build meaningful relationships, and make decisions based on a deeper understanding of the situation. This skill isn't about being suspicious or paranoid, it's about being aware. The Sigma male's attention to detail ensures he's always one step ahead, whether in personal relationships or professional endeavors. Number 6. He operates outside traditional hierarchies. The Sigma male is a nonconformist by nature. He doesn't seek to climb the corporate ladder, nor does he aspire to dominate others as an alpha mite. Instead, he forges his own path, operating outside traditional hierarchies. This independence allows him to avoid the pitfalls of office politics, groupthink, and unnecessary competition. In the workplace, he may prefer freelance work or entrepreneurship, where he has control over his time and projects. If he's part of an organization, he positions himself as a problem solver or innovator, focusing on results rather than titles or promotions. This approach makes him adaptable and less vulnerable to the volatility of traditional systems. While others scramble for positions of power, the Sigma male creates a life where power comes from his skills, knowledge, and ability to operate independently. Number 7. He values depth over superficiality. For the Sigma male, quality always trumps quantity. Whether it's relationships, possessions, or experiences, he prioritizes depth and authenticity over superficial appearances. He's not interested in having a large social circle. He'd rather have a few meaningful connections. This philosophy extends to his pursuits as well. He doesn't waste time on surface-level achievements or temporary distractions. If he's learning a new skill, he dives deep, mastering it rather than just skimming the basics. This focus on depth ensures that everything in his life has purpose and value. It also sets him apart in a world often obsessed with superficial metrics of success, like likes, followers, or flashy possessions. Number 8. He seeks balance between logic and emotion. While many people lean heavily toward either logic or emotion, the Sigma male understands the importance of balancing both. He's deeply analytical, able to approach problems with a rational mindset, but he's also in tune with his emotions and the emotions of those around him. This balance allows him to make well-rounded decisions that consider both the facts and the human element. For instance, in a conflict, he'll analyze the situation logically but also empathize with the other person's perspective. This ability to navigate both realms makes him a natural mediator and problem solver. By blending logic and emotion, the Sigma male achieves a level of wisdom that others often struggle to attain. It's this equilibrium that allows him to thrive in both personal and professional settings. Number 9. He questions the status quo. A Sigma male is inherently skeptical of tradition and authority. He doesn't blindly follow rules or accept things as they are just because that's the way it's always been. Instead, he questions everything, seeking to understand the reasoning behind it. This mindset often leads him to innovate, improve, or completely redefine systems and practices. For instance, if a traditional workflow is inefficient, he won't hesitate to propose or implement a better method, even if it challenges long-standing norms. While this trait can sometimes make him seem rebellious, it's rooted in a desire for progress and efficiency. The Sigma male isn't interested in disrupting for the sake of it. He's focused on creating value and finding the best possible solutions. Number 10. He knows when to walk away. One of the Sigma male's greatest strengths is his ability to recognize when a situation, relationship, or endeavor is no longer serving him. Unlike others who might stay out of obligation, fear, or inertia, he has no qualms about walking away when necessary. This isn't about running from challenges. It's about knowing his worth and refusing to settle for less. Whether it's leaving a toxic workplace, ending a draining relationship, or abandoning a project that no longer aligns with his goals, the Sigma male prioritizes his well-being and growth above all else. This decisiveness ensures that he's always moving forward, unburdened by unnecessary baggage. It's not about burning bridges, it's about building a life that aligns with his values and aspirations. If you found these insights helpful, feel free to leave a comment. If you're unsure about what to say, simply write 200% to let us know you watched until the end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we invite you to subscribe now and become part of our channel. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.